beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Latini. In this video, I'm going to share my honest review on a Korean product that glows the skin, that lightens the skin, that cleans the skin, and also that gives you that kind of radiant skin glow. Beautiful people, in this video, I'm going to review on advanced Korean bright and clear body wash gel. This gel is a product from Korea, okay, and it's very good for cleaning the skin. It's very good for exfoliating the skin. It's very good for making the skin very firm and making the skin very smooth as well. So if you are the type looking for a very nice, affordable, effective shower gel that will make your skin look like a glass skin, like a Korean skin, then trust me, this video I'm doing is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what advanced Korean skin and clear body wash gel is. I'll share with you guys a few ingredients that is used to formulate this shower gel. I'll also share with you guys the roles it plays on the skin. I'll share with you guys how you should use this shower gel effectively to achieve the exact results that you want. And I'll also go ahead and share with you guys a few side effects of not using this advanced Korean bright and clear body wash gel to you guys. Beautiful people, I came across this shower gel through a very good friend. She was telling me about how this shower gel really worked for her. She really praised this shower gel a lot, and she always tells me that that is the shower gel she uses every day. So, you know, anytime I hear review or a good testimony on a product, I always try my best to do some research on the product and to also find out exactly what it does on the skin. So advanced Korean bright clear body wash gel is formulated with healthy ingredients that helps to clean the skin, that helps to brighten the skin, that helps to lighten the skin, that helps to make you achieve that kind of glass skin, and also it makes the skin very smooth and soft. It's also a very good shower gel that improves skin tone, and it works on uneven toned skin. This shower gel is formulated for all skin type. Trust me, it's a very mild shower gel for all skin type. A sensitive skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, a dry skin person can use it, and also a normal skin person can use it. It's also good for a dark skin person, a caramel skin person, a fair skin person, and a fairer skin person as well. Now let's look at some few ingredients that is used to formulate this advanced Korean bright and clear body wash gel. They used ingredients such as vitamin E, vitamin C, glycolic acid, mulberry fragrance, and also other nice ingredients. This shower gel plays a whole lot of roles on the skin, but one thing I've noticed about this shower gel is that it has a very nice fragrance and it smells so nice. Okay, the roles it plays on the skin is that it exfoliates the skin, okay, it cleans the skin, it removes dirt on the skin, it brings out your natural glow, it brightens the skin, and it also gives you that kind of youthful looks as well. It makes the skin very smooth and it makes the skin very soft. It's recommended for everybody. Everybody can use this shower gel, and it gives you that kind of glass skin look, and it's very good. It's very good. You know, before my friend would tell me about this shower gel, I think I met her one afternoon and I noticed that her skin was so shiny. So I thought she was using those kind of expensive products. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but trust me, she was really looking good in her skin. So when she told me about this Korean product, I went, you know, I normally like going to social media a lot to see how the product trends. Okay, so I went to TikTok, I went to Instagram, I went to Facebook, I went to YouTube to see how my other skincare content creators also speaks about this product, and I realized that it's been one of the best shower gel ever in the system or in the market out there. So if you need a very good shower gel to glow your skin, to clean your skin, to exfoliate your skin, to bring out that kind of caramel skin tone, to gives you that kind of glassy skin tone that you want, you can get this advanced Korean bright and clear body wash gel and use on your skin. If you are someone with a dry skin and you want to use this shower gel to glow your skin or to lighten your skin, make sure you get a very nice oil and use with this shower gel, and trust me, it's going to make your skin very smooth, it's going to make your skin very soft. And you know, we are about to enter into the Harmattan season, so if you are a lover of shower gel, trust me, grab this advanced Korean bright and clear body wash gel and use on your skin, and trust me, you are not going to regret using it. Okay, now let's look at how you are supposed to use this body wash. You know, because it's a body wash, you can choose to apply some on your skin for some time before going to the bathhouse. Okay, probably you can use it like 15 minutes, okay, to 20 minutes before going to the bathhouse. After that, you just rinse it off on the body, pour the same shower gel in your sponge and use it to bath on your skin. You can not use it on the face because the face is very sensitive. People with normal face, people who don't have a sensitive face, can use some on their face towel and use it to wash the face as well. And always make sure that you get a very nice facial serum or a very nice face cream, a moisturizer to use on your face after using the shower gel on the face. It's supposed to be used morning and evening, okay? And also, you need to protect your skin from the sun when you are using this shower gel. Actually, I've not really come across any side effects of this shower gel. The only thing I notice is that it itches the skin and also it irritates the skin sometimes if you are a sensitive skin person. Okay, so if you want a shower gel, a very good shower gel to use on your body, to use on your skin, you can grab this advanced Korean bright and clear body wash and use on your skin. It's for all skin type. I can use it myself, but I'm not a lover of shower gel. I like using my cake soaps like that and I'm cool to go. So if you are a lover of shower gel, you can grab this, use it and send me your review. And please, if you have ever used this shower gel before, kindly share your review under the video for us to see both the good testimony and then the bad testimony. For me, I have not come across any bad testimony so far. All the reviews that I've gotten, both Instagram and my research, are super big. So you can try it and send me your review. But then please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do well and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so that anytime Latini I drop a video here, you will be the first to receive a notification from me. To my return subscribers, I love you so much and I really appreciate you guys for the support.